Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I'm coming, with a little bit of a different spin. So I've done one eye on camera. I'm gonna do this one eye on camera and so you can see the look. So if you want to see, this look being created on this eye, guess what? Keep on watching.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around.
Okay, so this eye is already done. We're just gonna work on this eye right here. So I'm using this palette right here. This is so pretty, and this is from Cara Beauty. I'm like obsessed with the shadows. They're so inexpensive, $7.99, and this one have like tons of shades, and it has it has a bronzer and a highlighter. The highlighter might be a little bit too dark for me, but we'll see. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in the shades. You already know. So basically the shades I have this pink on my lid, and I have the yellow, the green, and the blue in my kind of like up here. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the yellow first, which is this shade right here, and then we're gonna go into the green. I'm gonna put this like right here, see, like right here. I'm just trying to do my eyeshadow like different ways, just different things. Yellow is like really weird to show up on me because I am kind of yellow. And the next brush I'm gonna use is a T87 from Makeup Shack, and then we're gonna go into this shade. So this shade was called First Look, and then this one is called Mojito. And we're gonna go in and then just put this right here. And I'm not really like blending per se, I'm really just stamping, because I feel like when I stamp I get like the most pigmentation. This is not like a super dark green, but it works. So I do have a lot of fallout, see this, but again, fallout doesn't bother me. My main issue is, does the shadow work? Yes, and the story. That's it. So now we're gonna go into Pool Party, and I'm just gonna stamp this like right here, like so. And I'm just stamping it. I feel like I might give this just a little bit more, like right here. No, we're gonna go back to that first group, that Mojito. And we're just stamping this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Okay, so I'm gonna leave this like so, and now we're gonna cut the crease. So to cut my crease, I'm gonna use this right here. This is just a Pond's Cocoa Makeup Remover. I've been let me not say I've been using it, but I tested a couple of times and it works really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush right here. This is a CC1 from Showstopper Beauty. Don't really like the smell, but it works. So I just put some on here like so. You have to be careful with this though, because this is a makeup remover, so that can, mess with your look.
Thousands of tears later.
Yeah, cutting the crease is like the worst. It's so tedious. I think that's why I kind of stopped like just doing both eye on camera, because it's annoying. Let me stop singing because it's gonna get stuck in this video. Now I'm gonna clean my brush and then we're gonna put some of my Makeup by Yolondo eye primer. So now this is done, let me go ahead. I'm gonna use this brush. This is just I got it actually in a little like set from Crown, and we're just gonna go into that pink shade which I have on my lid, which is this shade right here, and then we're gonna put that on here. So this brush is very small, but I feel like it gives me, you know, like I can work with it and it doesn't, you know, just go crazy. Sometimes I get all carried away and I'm not even really paying attention, and I'm like, you can see. Sometimes my cut creases don't look the same, not because they're not technically the same, because this eye is like so much bigger. Like I have more lid space on this eye. So I got these wipes from Garnier. They suck. Like, I literally take one off and it feels like wet, but as soon as it stay on for like 2 seconds, it's dry. So now we're just gonna go ahead and do some liner real quick. I actually use this liner from Shein. Is the Expert Dual eyeliner from She Glam. I don't use this part. I just use this part right here. Now let's put some glue on. And I'm gonna use my roller, what was this? Roller lash from Benefit. I'm letting this dry just a little bit, nothing crazy. I don't even know which lashes I'm wearing, so that's gonna be, you know, for another video. I'm just joking, I have no idea. Okay, so now let's go ahead and prime the face. Actually, let me use this primer from Hot Candy. I haven't used this primer in a minute. This is the Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. This is kind of supposed to be kind of like a dupe for the Hydro Grip from Milk. It's not, but it's okay. I wouldn't call it that, but it's fine. Okay, now I need a brush for my foundation because I put on my brushes to wash. Let's use this one. This is the L11 from Lee Los Angeles. Let's use the Ultimate Coverage from Becca. This foundation is so damn thick. Like, it's so thick. It covers like literally all your sins. Cause I def have some like so. Okay. You want to make sure you bring this down like here, so there's no separation. This brush looks really good, but it looks like it soaks like a lot of the product. See, so I don't know if that's like, you know, people, you might not like that because these products are not a pretty price, but this foundation is also very thick, so that could be why. And the brush is shedding. No bueno. Now I'm gonna use sand from Too Faced for my concealer. Here I have a little, you know, smile line situation. Use let's use this from Revolution or Makeup Revolution. And again, this is a foundation stick, but I like to use it. I actually don't like it for foundation at all. That is not what I was trying to do, but I don't want it too crazy, because you already know. I'm gonna use this. This is a C526 from Crown to blend this. I'm gonna use a E34 from Morphe to blend this. See, this just blends really well. That's why I like it for this. See, this is like 2 different shades, but I don't like it as a foundation. I don't know, I feel like this might be a little bit too dark. Maybe I need a shade. What shade is this? F15. It's fine. Okay. I know this is a lot, but we'll fix it. We will fix it. And let's use a E20 brush from Morphe to blend the concealer. I practically washed like, I think I maybe washed like 200 brushes because most of my brushes were dirty. I love this brush to do this, like it just works so well. So you see, so now I'm gonna take back my bronzer brush and I'm just gonna go around the edges kind of to make this don't look so like crazy, like so. And then right here from Iconic London I have like the illuminating drip. Oh my god, that's a lot. Feel a little glow, a lot of glow. I don't like this. This is kind of like separating. Maybe I put too much. I don't know about that. Don't know about that. But you know, you live and you learn. And let's set that quickly. And I'm gonna use my flower powder from Beauty Bakery. It's like I want to leave like a ton right here, like so, because I'm gonna go in and do my lower like lash line, and I feel like I'm gonna have it. I know it's a lot. Just and then you know we'll make it work together. Let's do that lower lash line real quick. I know my face is not set yet, but it's fine. I can do that after. I might use this brush from that same Crown set. I feel like I want to put this shade in my waterline. And let's use this brush right here. This is, I got this in, it's just a smoky smudger from bareMinerals. I always do everything on this eye first, and today I just happened to do the shadow on this one first, but you see I'm doing the lash line first on this one. So I think if you're doing this look, you should put some stuff, like leave the powder, like see how heavy I left the powder here, because you're gonna have some fallout. See, I just need another M506, but I feel like, you know, my M506s are trying to not make me big rich, but it's fine. That's also from Crown. That was in that order set, or in that set that I got from. Actually, I got it from Boxy Chow. I'm just kind of dusting off the edges. It won't be so hard. But I also don't want to lose any of that, you know, pigmentation. Great. Now, I'm actually going to use this. This is from Makeup Geek, and it's just another pencil brush. And I'm going to use my glitter glue from NYX. And we're going to go ahead and this shade, which is Just Glow Girl. I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Ooh, that's too much. Kind of went crazy. Now let's go ahead and set the face. I'm gonna use my micro smooth powder from Sephora, and I'm gonna use a 734 brush from Luxie. My hands is all like dry from like, I promise I lotion my hands. That's from the powders. Yeah, because I make sure there's like, I always have powders like right here. Oh my god, why is my face looking so white? Now let me go ahead and bronze my face. Actually, I haven't used this bronzer for a minute, so let's use this bronzer for Minted. It's Minted X Ashley Bain. This is a blush brush from bareMinerals, but I like it for this. It's like right here. We need to bring some color back in that face. I forgot to use the bronzer in that, but you know what? I still want to do my nose, so let's go ahead and use it. This bronzer right here, this is called Sun Kissed, and I'm putting this on my JadeyWadey brush. So this would have been actually a very good contour for me. So you always contour my nose nicely. And we're gonna try this highlighter. It's called City Light. Oh yeah, this is fine. I thought it was gonna be too dark, but it's good. Yep, I like that. I don't know, my nose is kind of like thin, but you know, we'll fix this. I don't really like this sponge for this, but it's gonna have to work. I like the ones that have like the slanting. We're almost done though. We're almost done. I promise. We're almost done. I just need to put something quick in my waterline. I'm gonna put this one right here. This is from Melt. It's Porcelina. This is the Easy Cell from Hula Neon. I mean, this is okay. It's not my favorite. I'm just gonna put some gloss from Rihanna on there because I don't like that. I know this is nice and juicy, which is all I care about. Okay, so yeah, the hair stayed exactly like this. So that's it guys for this video. Again, I really like Carrot Beauty. I feel like, you know, for the price that you pay for the like this, so inexpensive. So if you can get your hand on one of them, go out and get it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and guess what, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory.